Alright, boom, what's good everyone, Edward Notte here. I'm the face behind your favorite reviewer. In this video, I'm bringing you a full unboxing video of Tecno's newly released Vfold. And then after that, I'll give a little overview on the specific details, very important specific details about the phone. The ones that will definitely blow you away. So let's get it like screw. Oh! So with the unboxing video, the phone comes with a very long box. When you take the seal off, it comes with a V shape. It opens and then you take the lid off, you have the phone, and then you take the phone off. It is the face of the phone and the secondary screw. Let's put that away. Next, you find a TPU case. It's a plastic TPU case, really fancy, from Tecno. And then you get the charging brick, a 45 watt charging brick, and a Type-C cable for the 45 watts fast charging brick. It's really cool because it's decent speed that you get on the charging. So let's get to the phone. There's a lid on it. You take it off and then you find the primary screen, and then you remove the back seal from the primary seal, and you get the Tecno Phantom Vfold. The primary screen comes with a 6.8 inch screen, Super AMOLED. It is curved and it is with 120 Hz refresh rate on the primary screen. But on the secondary screen, which is the foldable, you have a very long screen. And with the very interesting details about the phone, because I'll keep it short, I'm just doing an overview video and then unboxing. The phone is not yet out for the global market. They just released it at the MWC. You find that the phone comes with a very good chipset, the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 Plus chipset. It's very efficient. It causes the phone to have a very good fluidity, and to add to the fluidity of the phone, it comes with a very good display, and I'm excited about it. And to add again to the fluidity of the phone, it comes with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage space. So I'm super excited about it. I don't think you use this phone and experience any lags. It will be very fast, and it has 2 screens. So yeah, that's just about it for little very important details about the Tecno Phantom Vfold. Till I see you in the next one, my name remains Edward Notte. If you watch up to this point, please a sub to the channel will be phenomenal. Hasta luego. Peace.